What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto, and right now, I don't even know what time it is. It's nighttime. It's nice and dark. We've got 2003 Chevy Suburban Z71. This will work on all GMT 800. So Silverado, Sierra, Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, all of it. We're going to replace the evaporative vent solenoid, which is underneath this cover. The only tool you need is an 8mm. I'm being lazy. I've got it on high speed in Milwaukee. I'm gonna get up in here, get that booger off, slide this out, get it off to the side. Oh, that's a lie. You do need one extra. So this is what we're replacing. So one plug. And we got this little guy right here. I'm just taking a pick tool, get it in between the lock ring and the mechanism. This is a lot easier with two hands, but I think that was it. Perfect. Get this off to the side. Old one's going to be held in not only with that, but with a little O-ring right there. Got my replacement right here. The f***? Pop it in. Weird. I'm going to switch this to on. Start slowly. Alright, I'll put the plug back in here for the electrical. Then we'll put the actual vacuum line back. Engine cover. In. Set. On. That's it. Let's see. Shows 2 minutes and 40 seconds right now. One take. Easy peasy. So that right there will save you, I don't know what, probably 140, 150 bucks at a shop. Yeah, super simple. If you guys did like this video and find it helpful, drop that thumbs up in the bottom for me. I would greatly appreciate it. If you do like content like this, sorry, there's somebody driving like a knucklehead, a little S10. If you guys do like content like this, go ahead and go to the bottom, hit that subscribe button. S10, getting jiggy with it. Alright, so subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. That will let you know anytime I upload a video that may or may not be helpful for you. I don't know. If you guys have anything to say, any questions at all, leave a comment below. I would be happy to answer them. I'm sure other YouTube mechanics will do the same thing. You guys have a great day.